Welcome back to Motorhive, the channel where we explore the latest cars, future mobility, and smart solutions for everyday driving. Today we're taking a look at a small car with a big future, a vehicle that represents affordable electric mobility for city life. Let us talk about the Suzuki Alto EV and why it could become a game changer in the budget electric car segment. The Suzuki Alto has always been known as a simple, reliable, and economical city car, and the electric version follows the same philosophy while embracing modern technology. The Suzuki Alto EV is designed mainly for urban drivers who want a compact, easy-to-drive vehicle with low running costs and zero emissions. Its small size makes it perfect for crowded city streets, tight parking spaces, and daily commuting. From the outside, the Suzuki Alto EV keeps a familiar and friendly design. It maintains the compact hatchback shape that Alto fans recognize, but with subtle electric touches that give it a modern feel. The front design is cleaner and more closed off compared to petrol versions, helping improve aerodynamics. LED daytime running lights and a refreshed grille design add a contemporary look, while the lightweight body helps improve efficiency and driving range. Its compact dimensions make it easy to maneuver, especially in busy traffic. Step inside the Suzuki Alto EV and you'll find a cabin focused on simplicity and functionality. The interior is designed to be practical, easy to use, and comfortable for daily driving. The dashboard layout is straightforward, with clear controls and a digital instrument cluster that displays important information like speed, battery level, and driving range. The seats are designed for comfort during short and medium trips, making the Alto EV ideal for daily city use. Technology in the Suzuki Alto EV is simple but smart. A touchscreen infotainment system offers basic connectivity features such as Bluetooth, navigation support, and smartphone integration in higher variants. USB ports and charging options are included to keep devices powered on the go. The overall focus is on providing essential features without unnecessary complexity, keeping the car affordable and user-friendly. As an electric vehicle, the Suzuki Alto EV delivers a quiet and smooth driving experience. The electric motor provides instant torque, making acceleration feel quick and responsive at low speeds. This is especially useful in city driving, where frequent stops and starts are common. The smooth power delivery makes driving relaxed and comfortable, while the low center of gravity improves stability and control. The battery system in the Suzuki Alto EV is designed to meet everyday needs. While it may not offer extremely long range like larger electric cars, it provides enough distance for daily commuting, school runs, shopping trips, and office travel. Charging the Alto EV is simple and convenient. Home charging allows the battery to be recharged overnight, while public charging stations can provide a faster top-up when needed. This flexibility makes electric ownership easier for first-time EV buyers. One of the biggest advantages of the Suzuki Alto EV is its low running cost. With no fuel expenses and fewer moving parts than a petrol engine, maintenance costs are significantly reduced. Electricity is cheaper than petrol in many regions, making daily driving more affordable. This makes the Alto EV an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers, students, and small families looking to reduce monthly expenses. Safety is also an important focus for the Suzuki Alto EV. It includes essential safety features such as airbags, ABS, electronic stability control, and rear parking sensors, depending on the variant and market. The solid body structure and improved safety systems help provide confidence while driving in city traffic. Suzuki's reputation for reliability further adds peace of mind for long-term ownership. Practicality remains one of the Alto EV's strongest points. Despite its small size, the cabin is well utilized, offering enough space for passengers and daily luggage. The rear seats can be folded to increase cargo space when needed, making it useful for shopping or short trips. Its compact size doesn't compromise its usefulness for everyday tasks. Environmentally, the Suzuki Alto EV plays an important role in reducing emissions and promoting cleaner transportation. With zero tailpipe emissions, it helps improve air quality in cities and supports the shift towards sustainable mobility. For drivers who want to contribute to a greener future without spending a lot of money, the Alto EV offers a practical solution. The Suzuki Alto EV represents the future of affordable electric cars. It focuses on what matters most: efficiency, simplicity, reliability, and low ownership cost. While it may not be a performance-focused or luxury vehicle, it delivers exactly what many drivers need for daily life in urban areas. That brings us to the end of our detailed look at the Suzuki Alto EV. It's a smart, budget-friendly electric car designed for modern city living. Thanks for watching Motorhive, and stay tuned for more updates on electric vehicles and the cars shaping tomorrow's roads.